Welcome to this week's 2 Minute Tuesday. We're sometimes asked to commission smoke ventilation systems in buildings that are either incomplete, occupied, or in some cases even both. This can lead to some fairly major complications for all parties, so today we're doing a run through the key reasons why it's important to commission a smoke ventilation system in a complete but unoccupied building. This video is primarily about mechanical smoke ventilation systems, but lots of elements relate to natural systems too. We'll begin with why the building should be finished. Firstly, we need to make sure that all the carpets are fitted. Carpets make major changes to the leakage rates from apartments. These leakages will have also been planned into the computational fluid dynamic, or CFD, model. If they're different when we come to test the system, it can mean the whole system needs to be reworked, which can be an expensive task. Whilst they shouldn't, carpets can also affect how doors open and close if they've not been properly fitted. This is a critical step that will need identifying and rectifying, as it can cause the whole system to malfunction. Secondly, all apartment doors will need to have been fitted. This is so that testing can be carried out to make sure the doors open with 100 newtons force or less at the door handle. For a detailed explanation of why this needs to be done, watch the video linked below. Third, all ironmongery or door hardware will need to be fitted. It's especially important that door closers are fitted. This relates to the previous point, and it's all about making sure the door opens with the correct amount of force. Messing up this step could result in people being trapped in their apartments in the case of a fire. Finally, the fire alarm will also need to be completed so that the system cause and effects can be tested. I will make a detailed video on cause and effects, but in short, it's the way the system is set up to run, and in most cases it relies on the fire alarm. The final stage is why the building should be unoccupied prior to and during commissioning. Firstly, it's not safe, moral or legal to have people living in a building if the life safety systems haven't been commissioned. Secondly, we will need to test every apartment door. This isn't possible if people are living in the apartments. There will very likely be some adjustments to door closures required, again impossible if the building is already occupied. In some extreme cases, the doors have to be removed by the carpenter for rework, and no resident would like that. Finally, there may be other elements of the system that need rework. Third-party elements, for example the smoke shaft if it was found to be leaky. These works are not insignificant and would be hindered and potentially dangerous if the building is already occupied. We understand that arranging handover dates and trying to coordinate all trades to complete on the specified date is never an easy task, but having a complete but unoccupied building during commissioning will mean the whole process is much faster, easier and safer for all parties. Thanks for watching, I hope you found it helpful, and I'll look forward to seeing you next week. Bye for now.